Alright guys, welcome back. We are studying solar energy in renewable energy. Okay, the renewable source. So in the previous lectures we have seen solar cells and PV systems or on off-grid PV system. This is your on-grid PV system. As already I have said in the previous video, in on-grid PV system there is no battery, right? The amount of power is generated by the solar pole is the amount of power you get for the load. Okay, it's the very simple one. Okay. So what happens in on-grid system is, suppose your solar panel gives you 150 watt. Okay, we're taking the same example as we have taken for the off-grid system. Okay, if you haven't seen the video, please, I do recommend you guys to watch the video. Right, go and watch this video first and then come to this video. Okay, so this is your 150 watt. It gives to the inverter, it inverts from DC to AC, and then it gives to your load. Okay, now suppose your home load was 100. Okay, it can take 100. In the off-grid, what we used to do is we used to store the 50 in the battery. If you guys remember, right, we used to store the 50 in the battery, but as there is no battery, so the 50 will be stored, or not stored, you can say it's given to the meter or to the grid. Okay, unity grid is basically your poles, your home poles. Okay, the poles you see outside your house. Okay, so the 50 is stored in your meter. Now suppose at some near future, okay, this solar panel is producing, I don't know, suppose not 40, suppose it's producing 60 watt. Okay, it's producing 60 watt, but your house needs 100 watt. Okay, so what will happen is, from this, the 50 was stored in the meter, right? From there, this 50 will give you, and from this 50, it already has 60 watt. It will take 40. Okay, 40 watt and 100, so it will have 10 watt. Alright, so in this way, this basically happens. This on-grid PV system, there is no battery storage backup, so it goes on like this. As there is no battery storage backup, this one will not last for long, right? You can get it. For battery storage, there was a battery, there was MPPT, and there was also a diode array, which didn't let the battery to discharge. If you guys remember, DA, right? It didn't got the battery to discharge, so therefore the battery could have stayed for long, but not here. Okay, not here. If it can only provide for so much, for like, you can take like 1 to 2 hour max. Okay, this one can provide. So that's the reason why this one is recommended for the locality where the current doesn't goes that often, or the electricity doesn't goes that often off. Okay, that is, suppose in your home from 10 to 6, from morning 10 to 6 at the evening, the current only goes for 1 to 2 hours. Then you can use this type of on-grid system. Okay, now suppose in your region the current goes off for like 4 to 5 hours, right? There you cannot use this one. Alright, there you need to use the off-grid system, where there is a battery, and the battery will give you the current for 4 to 5 hours. Okay, this one can't, because this one maximum is 1 to 2 hours, right? Therefore this is recommended for the region where the current doesn't goes that off often. And also one more difference, you can say this one is cheaper, way more cheaper, because battery and MPPT are expensive than this one. It doesn't need anything, right? It does a solar panel, inverter, and a load. So this is basically recommended to those who just want to save some money on their electric bill. Okay, so suppose their bill is coming 1000 per month, so by using this, their bill may be like, I don't know, 600 to 700 per month. This is for them who just wants to reduce their bills, and but they do not have any shortage of electricity. That is, electricity doesn't goes off in the region that often. This is for those people. And off-grid are for those people whose electricity goes very often. Alright, whose electricity goes for 5 to 6 hours, like mostly in village areas. Okay, or in a region where there are huge electricity problems or something like that. So I hope you guys already got the difference between your on grid and off grid system. Okay, I'm still telling you guys, if you are not getting off grid system, please first check my previous video of the off grid system or the standalone PV system, and then watch this video. Then you guys will have a clear concept of what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, this was very easy. The main purpose of this video was to make you guys understand the difference between on grid and off grid. Maybe in exam they ask you what is the difference between on grid or off grid, or maybe in some interview, I don't know. So this was the main perspective of letting you guys know. Okay, then hope you guys understood the both on grid and off grid. If you guys did, then great. Like this video and hit the subscribe with the notification on. I'll see you guys in the next video.